Hey everyone, if you are getting a registration error while trying to sign up for Grindr, don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I will show you the steps to resolve it quickly. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you are in a supported region. Grindr is restricted in some countries like China, Indonesia, and Saudi Arabia. If Grindr isn't allowed in your country, you may see this error. Installing a VPN might help in some cases, but keep in mind Grindr won't work in countries like Cuba or North Korea due to sanction. Next, try using a different email address or sign up method. If you are signing up with an email and get the registration error, switch to a Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook login. If you see maximum number of accounts, it means that email is already in use. Try resetting the password or use a new email address. Are you using a VPN? Sometimes Grindr bans certain VPN IP addresses which can trigger the error. Turn off your VPN and try registering again. It could fix the issue. If nothing works, you can contact Grindr support. Here's how. Take a screenshot of the error message. Note the time, date, and your current IP address. You can find your IP at uh, this website. Visit Grindr's registration error support forum. Fill in the details, describe the problem, attach your screenshot, and hit submit. Once you submit the forum, Grindr support will get back to you with a solution, and that's how you fix the registration error on Grindr. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.